In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Canva. This is a straightforward skill, but knowing how to do it effectively can make a big difference in your designs. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation slide, or a resume, bold text can emphasize key points and draw the viewer's attention. Let's dive in and explore how you can quickly apply bold formatting to your text. First, let's open up a design project in Canva. To start, you'll need to have an existing file with text that you want to bold, or you can create a new project and add some text to your design. Once you have your text ready, the next step is to click on it. This action will highlight the text box where you can make all sorts of formatting edits. After clicking on your text, Canva's toolbar should appear at the top of your design workspace. This toolbar might vary slightly depending on the type of project you're working on, but generally you'll see options for font type, size, color, and more. What we're interested in today is the bold feature. Look for a capital letter B on the toolbar, which usually signifies the bold text function. This icon is similar to what you might see in other text editing platforms, so it should be pretty recognizable. Clicking this bold icon will instantly transform your selected text into a bold version, making it more prominent and eye-catching. Sometimes the effect might seem subtle depending on the font you've chosen, so feel free to experiment with different fonts to see which one works best with bold styling. Now, you might notice that some fonts don't have a bold option. If that's the case, consider switching to another font that supports bold text. Canva offers a wide range of fonts, so there should be plenty of options to suit your creative needs. If you're curious about the difference bold text makes, try toggling the bold icon on and off. This will help you decide how the bold effect influences your text and overall design. If you encounter any issues with bolding text, or if you're using a template where the text formatting is locked, you might need to unlock that layer or element to make the necessary changes. To unlock a text box, simply click on it and check for any locked icons, then click to unlock. And that's it, you've just learned how to apply bold text in Canva. I hope this tutorial helps you make your designs stand out and better communicate your messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.